Hi everyone, welcome to the patron exclusive. I don't even know what to call this, but I just want to show you guys a little peek at what I'm working on right now. This is a sneak peek at my workshop. You can tell that it's beautiful because I'm wearing a headlamp and I'm outside and there's smoke passing by because I have to light incense to keep the bugs away. What I'm working on right now, that helmet that you saw in the earlier image, is actually a Loki helmet for my dog Sandor. He is going to accompany me in my cosplay of Thor, and we're working on the horns right now. So all I did for this was kind of just 2D imagine the shape of the horns and then cut that 4 times on some thin craft foam, and we just outlined the first piece that we cut out and copied it 3 times. You'll see me doing this outline process here. After this, what we're going to do is use a heat gun and go over the foam to seal it, and then while it's still warm, shape it into rounded edges and make sure that you're lining up the horns so that the rounding goes on opposite sides for each half of the horn. Now these horns aren't going to close, they're going to stay open to the back. It's not the best look in the world, but if your dog's wearing it, it's not going to be perfect anyway. And then we did a little altering to the bottom. Once I had the horn shape kind of drawn, I went ahead and added a little V tag to the bottom where I could mess with how to attach it to the helmet. What I ended up doing was cutting a little bit of that off right in the center where the V is, and overlapping it, gluing it, and just gluing that base to the bottom of the helmet. And that's the finished product there after the plasti dip. I think it's looking pretty good. It's going to get reshaped a little bit, but you guys will see more later. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you have a great day.